Hi, this video is for users of MedicalDirector Clinical and will demonstrate how to add a coded diagnosis to the patient's medical record. The term coding refers to selecting from a list from within the software. What is coded we can search for, and this process has many clinical safety and efficiency benefits, which I will explain at the end of this video. When I click on the summary page here, I can see Maureen's chronic conditions like diabetes and osteoporosis. To add a coded condition, go to the past history page. To add, you can right-click, new item, and select from the coded list. It could be that Maureen has just been diagnosed with celiac disease. If it's today's date, you leave the date, otherwise you can alter that. A comment might be, who is the specialist looking after this condition? And it could be a specialist, it could be other members of the care team, it could be detail related to this condition. Is it an active problem? Is it something significant enough to go on her summary? If it's not to go on her summary and is confidential, there's a confidential tick box. If it's left or right side of the body, and OK. So this list is for chronic conditions such as her diabetes, osteoporosis, celiac disease, as well as significant events. If I right-click, new item, alternatively I could go up to the red plus, and again I have the list. If Maureen was saying that she had a previous condition that was a long time ago, we could enter the year, and again always select from the coded list. Perhaps she had rheumatic fever when she was very young, and this is then going to be an inactive problem but significant enough to go on a summary. It could be that she had an echo in 2000 and that was normal, and that becomes a much more helpful piece of information that will be shared every time a referral is generated, a care plan, an admission report to hospital, or a health summary uploaded to My Health Record. So not only does coding help us by reducing ambiguity when this information is shared, there is also additional benefits, such as if I point to the top right of the screen, I can see that 4 fact sheets have been highlighted given that she has a new condition. So you'll be prompted that there are education materials available to help your patient with their new diagnosis, and it's one of many reasons why we choose from the coded list. If this list requires updating, you can right-click or double-click on it to edit. And sometimes if more information is required to enable a more accurate description, remember the comment. So this is a national list. It is a general practice standard to choose from the list. When selecting from the list, know that it is also a digital health standard. It has significant clinical safety benefits, such as activating alerts and warnings. As we have put celiac disease in there, if a doctor was prescribing a medication with gluten, there would be a warning. This list is shared on referral letters, care plans, hospital admission letters, and on summaries sent to My Health Record. So coding is vital. Free text type conditions can be ambiguous to patients as also to other clinicians treating our patients. It provides clarity if we use the comment section and improves helpfulness. Coding may also help our patients in regard to preventive health and quality improvements. It allows us to identify our patients at risk. It allows us to identify patients with chronic conditions and create disease registers, for example, diabetes, heart disease, COPD. And then we can more efficiently implement and manage recall and reminder systems. Coding helps us identify care gaps and proactively work to improve the health outcomes for our patients.